Namaste children, I am Susan Bridget sending you the video for computer science. In second unit software, under this we have a topic application software. Today's topic is application software. So already system applications got over, now we are in application software and types of application software, general purpose application software and specific purpose application software can be divided into two. One is general purpose, another one is specific purpose. Okay, so let us start. There are 8 general purpose application softwares we are going to see now, so be very careful. Now first picture what you are seeing is word processor. Word processing software. It helps us to create professional documents. For example, you can see WordPad, Microsoft Word, etc. So this is the first one, word processing software. And number two is electronic spreadsheet. Electronic spreadsheet. For example, we know MS Excel, Microsoft Excel. And see here few more informations about electronic spreadsheet or worksheet. So manipulate mainly numeric data. It's develop formulae, define certain data types, store and retrieve files, and produce results in text, graphs or both forms. Includes security controls. It's about Microsoft Excel, electronic spreadsheet. And the third topic is database management system. Third topic is database management system. We can call this as DBMS also. DBMS, in this picture it's very clearly explained. We use in our daily routine. This database management system is used by us in our everyday routine, and we are using this for managing telephone directories, payroll informations, and to have large amount of informations in an organized manner. So that is for that we are using DBMS. We can easily create, add, find, update, sort, search, print and retrieve the informations in the database. Clear children? Example, FoxPro, Oracle, like that. And here comes the fourth one. You can see it very well. You can see the picture. The fourth is presentation software. Presentation software. See, to give idea or concept in a lively manner, we use this presentation software. It helps us to create slides, charts, animation and also video clippings. PPT we are telling no. So presentation software. And the next is DTP, desktop publishing software. It helps us to combine both text and graphic pictures, features to design professional documents, books, posters, magazines, etc. And the sixth one is graphics software. It is used to create images such as charts, graphs, photographs, logos, cartoons and much more. Example, Paint, Photoshop, AutoCAD, etc. So the last is multimedia software, is used to create video, animations and graphics. Example, game software, Windows Media Player, etc. So here comes the special purpose. So application software can be classified into two: general purpose application, special purpose application. So here is the definition for the special purpose application software. It is a type of software created to execute one specific task. For example, a camera application on your phone will only allow you to take and share pictures. Another example would be a chess game. It would only allow you to play chess. It's very clear, I think. So here also it's designed to perform tasks specific to a particular application or field. Therefore, it does not have as wide a range of features and is not suitable for the average person. Examples of specialized software are accounting software, airline reservation software, payroll programs, and rocket guiding software. So it will be very specific in its feature. Few more examples are shared here. Just see. For specific purpose, web browser, media player. So let us discuss the disadvantages of this specialized software. Software developed may take a long time to be completed. If the person who is trained to use the software resigns, then time will be lost and new staff will have to be trained. Okay, so these are the few disadvantages of specialized software. So I explained you the application software. Under general purpose, 7 topics are there. You can refer your textbook. Under special purpose application, there is a definition, and I also shared the disadvantages, children. Thank you.